Well, hello there boys and girls, and welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to use super glue to fill out these so-called fish eyes that you can see here on the paintwork. The fish eyes come into existence from the grease in the painting process. Now, let's begin. As seen here under the neon lights, the grease traces can be seen on the following locations. Here, 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 and here. To do this task, we will use an ordinary super glue. Many people might not have clear coat handy, so you can use super glue in order to get excellent results. As you can see, we're liberally applying the super glue to cover the fish eyes. Make sure you use enough glue to cover the actual area. Once you're done filling in the fish eyes, all you need to do is squirt ordinary water once, and this will help the super glue to dry off quicker. Once the glue is dried off, take 2500 water-based sandpaper, put it against a piece of wood that is not flexible, and slowly file off the excess of the super glue. Once you remove the excess glue, don't forget to degrease the whole thing, and then polish it until you're actually able to see the result. And as you can see, the grease-based indentations are now gone. The holes have been filled in successfully, and the whole process was done without using clear coat. When you take a closer look, you can see the wonderful shine left behind. And you must admit, it's not the method that you might think of, but it's also very effective. Boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed this video and you might find actual practical use for it. Until next time, please like and subscribe and make sure to hit the bell icon to get all further notifications whenever we post a new video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I will gladly try to help out as much as I can. Until next time, boys and girls, stay safe, take care of yourselves, and have a great day.